Kimino here. So it is 9 p.m. the day before the competition. I'm so nervous because this is my first ever competition in over 2 years of cubing so far. Well, I would count my third year, but it's not yet over. Yeah, this is my first ever competition since I started cubing back in 2020. I did have an opportunity to get into competition in 2022, but sadly I missed that one. So now you're doing this one. So yeah, my equipment's all ready. So yeah, I'll see you when I wake up. Hey everyone. So it's the morning of the competition, 4 a.m. Yeah, so I'm just trying to warm up right now. Here's my warm up cubes. Not my mains yet. I'm gonna switch my mains later. I have a hand warmer. I'm gonna warm my hands and then I'm gonna get to warming up. Yeah. The drive is like an hour away from happening, so yeah, I guess we'll see you guys there. Okay, so we're just parking now, and actually, we actually got here very early. Like we're here with the organizers. So by crazy coincidence, we actually arrived a bit too early. That's overly hilarious that we arrived too early. But yeah, I did catch some of them. Yeah, we're now eating at the Speedcubing Food of Champions McDonald's, as you can see right behind me. The windows are currently being cleaned, so I'm kind of trying to keep the guy out of the frame so I don't break privacy. But yeah, so we're eating the Speedcubing Food of Champions McDonald's. So now that we're here at Macca's while waiting for our order, let's talk about goals for the competition. So my goal for 3x3 is just getting like maybe sub 15 average or mid 15 average, because I think that's what's gonna get me to round 2. I don't know, because I don't know how good the people are gonna be at this competition. Then for 2x2, which I think is the next event after 3x3, my goal is just maybe a sub 6 average, sub 6, sub 5 average, or mid 5, either that. Then for Scube and Pyraminx, they're both sub 10. I am getting sub 10 solves in the car earlier, as well as so I'm thinking maybe sub 10. And finally for my course, just sub 1 average, that's it. Just like sub 1 average. Yeah, that's the goals for the competition, and I'll see you at the venue. Okay everyone, so I just arrived at the venue just now, right there, as you can see. We're not yet allowed to go in because it's still too early, but yeah. Registration starts at 9 a.m. like an hour from the an hour before the store actually opens, so that registrations are good to go. So yeah, we're just gonna sit here while I do some practicing. Right, so we're now going into registration, man. So we're here at registration hall. We have registration. Junior Aiden or Sando po?
Adrian Rizal.
Okay po.
Pwede po picture pero bawal po gamitin yung mga privacy.
So we're here at the competition now. I actually bought myself a 5x. Me and my family here bought a 5x. So let's open it up. And a review is coming on the side. A screwdriver. Try to open the box. Here it is. Got the box open. This is hard. Is opening. This little thing stand. Ooh. I'm not thinking about. This is the MGC 5x5. Right, the accessory should be the same as the 4, and now so, nice. Now keep it so. Trash in here. That's what this. Oh, this is really nice. First turn. This is actually pretty good. What the hell? It's actually pretty good. The MGC line has been known for its good performance and quality. Like, this is amazing. Okay. You might need to listen to that. Right. Review coming on this soon, and I'll see you. And I guess we'll see you when the competition starts. Alright, so the competition has started, but I want to make a quick review on the MGC 5x5 before I make a better in-depth video about it. Number 1, the 5x5 out of the box is so fast. Luckily, I had some lube to slow it down a little bit, and now it's actually more controllable. One issue I have is the green center is making a lot of spring noise, so I might try to lube that up later when I get home, just so that, you know, it doesn't have spring noise. Another one is that this cube is really, really fast and really, really good, and I love it. This is my dream 5x5 right here, and I love it. Like, it's perfect for me. But yeah, that's my quick review on the MGC 5x5. So yeah, a video coming up on this soon, but for now, enjoy the competition. $15.44 DNF. after quite a horrible average, we're going to judge. Let's go. Right, so we're now here in a restaurant. We're gonna eat lunch. Next up for me is 2x2, and I'm hoping to get my goals for 2x2. 3x3 didn't go so well because the first off I had a DNF, first of all, putting on screen on here. And yeah, it didn't go too well. I got like 18s and 21s after that, which, I mean, it's normal for me since it's my first ever competition after all, because, you know, over time I'll get used to it. But yeah, so let's hope the 2x2 goes a lot more better than 3x3. Alright, so lunch is over, next up is 2x2. Ready?
And also Joshua Reyes.
Ready? One word for 2x2. Absolutely incredible. I think I had like a mid 5 average or even low 5 average possibly with the 2 counting 5s and the 4 in it, but like overall it was amazing. Didn't like the 6 though, but I mean, hey, you gotta get a worse time either way. Here's one-handed scrambles, and here are the scramblers sitting at the table. So yeah, this is 5x5 scrambles, it's done. Okay. So let's just move that away. Like, now we're gonna prepare scrambles. Let's do this. Scramble cubes. Let us begin. I'll just put it down below here. Okay. Scrambling is hard. It is kind of hard. I mean, the scrambles are here, but it's tiring. I also got to try a maglev cube for the first time. I hate it. Maglev makes cubes too fast, man. In my opinion, I don't like it. Yeah, it is. Right, that's it. I'll see it's cube. Yeah. Okay. I'm done scrambling. Time for skew. Ready? Okay. Ready? Delegate! This is part 2. Nice doing that.
Good.
Good? Yes! Oh my god! Oh my god! Right, so I went to a different location for this, but like, the cube average was perfect. Absolutely and utterly perfect. Sub 10, hell, actually sub 9, I think. I'll have to check back in the results, but like, I'll put it up here, but like, it was sub 9. I destroyed the freaking goal. But I can't get too excited. I still have pyramids and 4x4. Nice. 514. Not too bad. That's gonna be. Oh my god, how bad is this one? I think it's good. 1090. Okay. Weird than expected, but like, I don't know, like 10, then 9, then a 5 suddenly, and then a 7.7, which average for me. So like, I got like a maybe like a mid 8. No, actually, I think it's 7 average because like the 9, 9 7 or 9, I don't know. But yeah. 4x4 time, maybe my main event. Let's win this. I mean, let's get a good average. Average solved, but like. Oh well, 5081. So, 4x4. 5107 average. 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 I was hoping for like sub 1 or sub 58, but no, I got sub 52. Oh yeah, I'm cementing my place as a good 4x4 player. But yeah, that's why I mean it. Anyways, I guess we can see each other back home when, or I just next day actually, because I'm probably gonna flop into bed. So yeah, see you next day. Right. So it is the day after the competition, and as you can see back behind me, I'm practicing some 5x5. I think you can't see the scramble, but that is a 5x5. That is a 5x5, like computer generated scramble behind me. That's because I have a second competition coming in a month. Das Marinas Speedcubing Open 2023. So stay tuned for that one. As well as the Epic Screen Link. Yes, I have said that I'm put it off for so long, and I'm gonna finally try to see if I can get this thing done. If I cannot, I'm going to be calling in a team. Right now, I'm still in the deciding phase where if I should call in a team or not, because this is one challenge I could not undertake on my own, and I feel like it would be best if this was a collaborative project rather than just doing it by myself. Yes, it's impressive that I can do 100 clips by myself, and I am planning to do a version of my own in the future after the collaboration's over. Just try to see if I can actually do this one, like try to do it by myself. But my point is, yeah, my point is I'll try to do better with the another screen link with over 200 clips. But anyways, back to the competition. It was incredible. My averages were honestly okay. 3x3 was okay. The rest were amazing. 4x4, I was really hoping for a sub 1 average, but I got a 51 average, and I'm literally shaking like, how did that happen? Well, next competition, I'm also partaking in 5x5 and 7x7. I'm not gonna make the cutoff for 7, but I'm gonna try to make the cutoff for 5 because I'm very close to the average, to the cutoff average. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog type video. If you want to see more of it, you can leave that in the comments down below, because really making these competition vlogs are really fun. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching this competition vlog, and I'll see you all in the next time. Keeping it 34 is out.